One thing that I thought was so Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marion. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I have another Louis Vuitton unboxing on my channel, but today it's not a purse and I'm super excited about this one. So first things first, if you're new here, welcome. Like I said, my name is Marion. If you're not new here, then welcome back. Whether you're new or not, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button as well as turning your post notifications on so that every time I upload an unboxing, you'll get a little notification and you could come see what I got, right? I mean, a few weeks ago, I had polled my Instagram and asked whether you guys wanted to see designer sunglasses or designer accessory unboxings, and the majority of you, it was a close call, but the majority of my Instagram followers said they would like to see designer accessories. So that's exactly what I plan to do for you guys. But if you aren't following me on Instagram, run to Instagram right now. Make sure you're following me so next time I throw up a poll or ask what you want to see, something like that, you'll definitely be able to interact with me and let me know what you want to see me unbox. So I'm super excited for today's unboxing. Like I said, it is from Louis Vuitton, but it is not a purse. I actually got this for Valentine's Day from my husband, one of my Valentine's Day gifts from my husband, and I'm super excited about it. I'm super excited to unbox it. So it is still wrapped. It is a small box. We've never pulled the ribbons off here. And then it's in a little box like this. And then inside is a dust bag and the price tag. So what I ended up getting, the monogram Spirit bracelet, and I got it in the size 17. They do come in 3 sizes. Bracelets come in 3 sizes at Louis Vuitton. They come in a 15, 17, or 19. So the 17 actually fit perfectly on me. A little backstory. I actually went to the store because I wanted the charm bracelet that has, well, the Louis Vuitton monogram leather bracelet that has the Palm Springs backpack mini charm hanging. So I'm going to insert that here. So that's really what I wanted. And I wanted to see it in person to see how big the charm was, to see if I really liked it because I had never seen it before. But when I got to Garden State Plaza and my husband asked our sales associate, Nick, he said they actually didn't have it in stock. So he brought out a ton of bracelets for me to see. I just wanted like an everyday bracelet. I didn't want anything from their like 14 karat or 18 karat gold line. I just wanted kind of just like a throw on bracelet to be an accessory, not really to be a piece of jewelry. Like this isn't, I'm not considering this like a huge piece of jewelry in my collection, but I definitely thought it was super cute. I'm gonna show it to you on. So this is the bracelet up close. It has the monogram print all over. It's all leather. The thing I loved the most was actually how the bracelet opens. So it opens like that. And then the inside is all leather. But I just love that little detail that it like snaps in. I don't know if you could like see the buckle. It says Louis Vuitton. It matches a lot of their like purse buckles, a lot of their different buckles. So this is what it looks like on. I like it. It has a lot of room. The 19 was super big on me and I didn't even want to try the 15. So it's super cute. I really do think it's super cute. I love this detail. The hardware on it, just the little details. So the inside has that little detailing as well as the serial number and the model number and size. This is the monogram pattern on it. You know I'm all about the details here. So even the tiniest pieces of hardware have the logo, the monogram, the name. So this is just super cute to add to my collection. I really love it, and I don't think I've ever had a bracelet that wasn't like gold or silver, like one of those type of bracelets. So I thought this was super cute, and it matches with so many different of my outfits. I really like that the monogram was small. It's rude to know how much gifts cost, but I know what everything costs at Louis Vuitton. So this goes for $265, which is, I feel like, extremely reasonable. It makes a great gift. Like I said, it was one of my Valentine's Day gifts from my husband. I really like it. Another bracelet that I have my eye on is like the Christian Dior woven bracelets. I don't know if you guys have seen those. I'm sure you have. But I'm obsessed with one of those, so I feel like I want one of those now too. But I really love this because it could just like dress up an outfit, just add that extra little bit of Louis flair to something. So I was really happy with my purchase. Well, I was really happy with my gift. I definitely am still going to look into the Palm Springs bangle because I just think that's so cute. And if you know me personally, and you probably have already felt the vibe here on my channel, my Palm Springs mini is probably my favorite Louis Vuitton bag. I don't know, but I really feel like it is my favorite. Speaking of Louis bags, if you guys would like to see my full Louis Vuitton purse collection and which one is my absolute favorite, which one is my absolute least, only Louis, let me know in the comments below. Leave me like a little brown heart or something so I know that's some content you would like to see, because I would love to film that, because I've recently been thinking about which ones are my absolute favorites and which ones I'm like, I don't know why I ever really bought this. So definitely leave me a comment below if you'd like to see that. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you're leaving a thumbs up and liking this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button as well. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a little comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.